Wazika was coming out today.
Tell me Wazika to come out and testify. Idiots. I'll stop Boko Haram everywhere.
Fulani has been killing people.
You want to try me? Try your father and secret, not me. Animals. Try your father and secret, not me. Idiots. Animals.
Come and sit here. Come and sit here. Pastor, as well as educated, come to try somebody who is learned. Are you mad? How can you jail me? Idiots. It's not possible.
Do you see it? Hey, are you a journalist? Did you see it? We are even in which handcuff inside court. Do you see what Buhari is doing? Do you see the intimidation from Buhari? We are even with handcuffs inside court. Inside the court.
Yes, now.
This is it. Secret fire to defend Nigeria created by human being. Nigeria created by a criminal.
1983.
Nigeria has expired. Nigeria is an expired country. Nigeria was started 1st January 1914, and Nigeria expired on the 31st of December 2013. So, what integrity are you withholding? Are you withholding? Nigeria is a fraud. Nigeria is not a country. I have nothing in common with your husband and your mama. I'm a Biafran. You're doing what? You're not what? So what do I have in common with you? I will give it to them. We don't wear the same skin. We don't eat the same food to them. I have nothing in common with you. Stupid. You're calling me a Nigerian. Nigeria my foot. You are calling me a uniform. Nigeria is a cause. And Nigeria must fall. Nigeria must fall. And they are happy about it. Assholes. You are killing my people. Sending terrorists to my people. Killing my people. You are telling me Nigeria my food. Hopeless animals. Who to punish anybody talking about Nigeria? It's you idiots. Tell Buhari to carry gun and come. He will shoot us today. Today, and Buhari should come and testify because he is a terrorist and he committed a felony. 1983. When he overthrew Shagari, who tried him? Who tried Buhari when Buhari committed a felony? Abiola was tried in the open. Abiola was tried in the open. They commit treason. Did I commit treason?
Let the world know what was going on. He was brought in court. He got with handcuffs.
Yes, ma'am.
You idiots! Let the chief want the chief want the money they continue to the back door.
That is.
We cannot keep continue keeping silent over issues like that.
Send in a picture. You know what? I have to handcuff. Let me make court.